Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen, I still am looking at this as a big 1, 2, 3, which I still don't even really think is over. I still believe it's going to make a 3, 4, and 5, probably go all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I believe to be an ABC of B, probably all the way up to the 1 or the 203 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this has been very, very corrective for many, many weeks now, as you can see. I still don't really see a break of structure to the downside, so I'm still not really convinced that this is going down in a big way as of yet. I was definitely originally thinking that it would go down because this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 say, but betting against again, especially with the trader sentiment being so negative, everybody's so bearish, actually makes me think that it might just keep on trending up. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see what does look like a trend right here. It is definitely a five-way pattern, but it did go right to a fib level. It did make a higher low, and it is pretty impulsive to the upside. Now, you definitely could look at this move up as a possible wave B, this move down as a possible wave A, and this very easily could now be going down for a wave C, which was my original thoughts on this, and I still think that it is very, very likely that that could happen before that does end up continuing the uptrend. But like I said, with the trader sentiment being so negative and everything else, I wouldn't be surprised if this move down just made another little correction and it just kept on trending up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, you can see that we had a rejection of structure. Price is definitely making a move to the downside right now. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be observing this to see if it makes a 1, 2, 3 while looking for shorts, or whether it makes it A, B, C, goes to a Fibonacci retracement level and then makes an impulsive move up after 3 waves down. Obviously, if it makes 3 waves down, impulsive up at a fib level, I will be exiting any shorts and going long for the continuation of the uptrend while I'm looking for shorts. If it does make a 1, 2, 3 and just keep on going down, then that's just going to be like a bonus trade. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it still seems like it wants to go down. It is very impulsive. It does look like a trend. This is probably a correction to that trend. We may already be in a wave 3 or possibly a wave C. So like I said, if it does go down, if it does make a big bounce off of Fibonacci retracement level, then I will exit any sorts and I will go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But on the other hand, if it bounces off of fib levels but doesn't break structure and just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, I'll just keep on going short at the end of every single pullback until that I see a break of structure proving that the move down is complete and that we are continuing the uptrend. Like I said, I actually think there's a good chance that it will bounce off a fib level and continue the uptrend, but I could also see the possibility that this is a wave C, this is a wave B, and that we're actually making a pretty decent move to the downside. So we're just going to have to watch and observe the market to see what shapes the market makes next. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.